We ready? Alright. This tutorial is for the time-reversed Mills mess. Should look something like this. It is, as the name suggests, a version of Mills mess, but exactly backwards in time. So, whereas the normal Mills mess is made up of two windmills, which are regular windmills this way and this way, time-reversed Mills mess involves windmills where the arms cross the opposite direction. So as regularly when you have a windmill going clockwise, your left hand is on top, here your left hand will be on the bottom. So your right hand, instead of sweeping under to do the throws, will kind of awkwardly go over your right hand and then do the throws backwards, like this. You don't really have to be able to do this well to be able to do time-reversed Mills mess though. I'm just pointing this out for interestingness. The real way to learn time-reversed Mills mess is probably to start out with two balls. So, assuming you guys are really good at Mills mess already, this is probably all you need to know to master the reverse pattern. You start with two balls, and the regular pattern of Mills mess with two balls looks something like this. Or at least one of the possible regular patterns. Right? So you have one ball in each hand, you're going to throw your right hand ball over, come with your left hand underneath, and follow it up. Like this. Catch them back in different hands. So this would be the following ball, catch both of them, then you go back the other way. Right? Pretty simple. So what you're going to want to do is stop this pattern and go backwards. So now instead of going and you're going around this way, throwing one, throwing the other, you're going to start throwing with the other ball, so you're going to throw with your right hand going outwards. This is kind of an awkward throw, but this is actually the leading throw of reverse Mills mess. So you have to make sure you have this throw very strongly mastered so that you can lead the pattern outwards on both sides, otherwise you'll end up all crushed up in the middle. I'll get back to this later. Anyways, you're going to take the ball in your right hand, you're going to throw it out sideways and away from you. And then you're going to sweep your left hand under your right hand and follow it from underneath, so like this. And then catch the right hand ball in your left hand and vice versa. Come back the other way, and then you're going to throw it with your left hand out this way. So you're going to end up with a pattern that looks something like this. Practice this for a while until you're really comfortable with it. Make sure the balls look like they're following each other smoothly, as in the forwards pattern, and make sure that your outwards throws go far enough out to the side so it looks nice. Okay? Now you'll start to notice that as you do the underhand throw that follows the first ball, your hand that does the first throw is going to move over on top of the underhand arm, obviously. So watch my right hand. There. That's where the third ball is going to fit. And you're just simply going to throw it out after the other two, following the same arc. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, like that. So in order to do the full reverse Mills mess pattern, start with two in your right hand, one in your left. You're going to start with the same sideways outwards throw, follow it with the left underhand, and then your right hand is going to toss one after it, the third ball, from on top, like that. So 1, 2, 3. Then of course you end up back in this pattern, the left hand starts going out this way. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And that is reverse Mills mess. This will take a while to get anywhere near smooth. I'm not even that close to smooth. I still think it looks kind of ugly. But it's a very awkward pattern since you literally have the feeling of kind of chasing the balls around since you're going backwards. It's very bizarre. But I think one of the keys to getting it right is to make sure you do that outwards throw far enough, because if you don't, watch what happens. You end up in a kind of weird-looking Boston mess type thing, which really doesn't look like a Floyd Mills mess. So you want to make sure that throw goes horizontal enough to really lead the balls out to each side and get a clear figure 8 type thing going on. And after that, as I said, the sensation is really of just kind of following the balls around and making sure they all stay in the right spot. And that is the reverse Mills mess. Good luck.